time for my little friend. Oh yeah, I have the best pencil in school.
What? Pfft, I'll show you a real pencil.
We'll see about that.
Huh? Don't make me laugh. Look at this.
No way! I'll prove that tiny pencils are cooler than giant ones. Let's just split these toothpicks in half and paint them. And there we go! The tiniest pencils ever are ready! Have you ever seen anything like these?
Cool. Let me see.
Careful!
Save yourself!
That was close. Huh? What's this? Alright then.
Good morning, class. Wait, can you hear me? That's it. Hey!
Huh?
Let's get started.
Oh.
Ready for a tiny lesson?
I'm ready. I've got my tiny pencils. And even a tiny notebook.
Not bad. And you, young man? Just a second. This should work. Let's fold this piece of paper like this. Then bend this corner and flip it over. It should make a square like this. Now let's keep folding to make something like an envelope. It should come together just like this. Add another one on top. Great! Now let's take a piece of paper in a different color and slide it in like this. Now insert a couple of thin straps, like this. Add some details, and decorate it with a sticker on the back. There! The tiny backpack is done! Check it out! Look, teacher, what do you think? Oh, yeah. Great job! Phew. Alright, now give me your notebooks. Hey! Watch out! Ah!
Oops. Sorry.
You almost crushed me!
I know what to do. Here.
Oh, I getcha. First, let's fold one half of the paper. And then the other. Now flip it, open it up, and make a crease along the sheet. We need to make several creases along it, like this. One half should have more creases. Now bend it in half, and fold each half to make an accordion shape. Now take a different color paper and fold it like this. Great! Now let's put both crafts together. Fit them in nice and tight. Let's hide a little note for the teacher. Now add a rubber band and a sticker. The tiny notebook is ready. What do you think?
Cool. Let's show the teacher.
Well, the size is right. And what's this? Oh, did you make this for me? You shouldn't have. It's so sweet.
Oh, come on. Don't be shy.
Yummy. Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna need a piece of paper. I'll be right back. I hope it's not occupied.
Awkward.
I need more paper. Quick!
Oh, sure. I'll get it to the right size. First, let's roll up a strip of cardstock. Now take the toilet paper and cut it into strips. Now let's start winding it onto our cardboard. Let's pack up a few rolls, just like that. Turned out great! Can you give it to the teacher?
Okay. Hope my aim's good. Phew, that was quite a sandwich. Excuse me, oops.
Ew! We need to air this place out fast!
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Man, my certificates are ruined! Darn, what do I do now? Huh. Good thing I'm using a straw. Wait. That gives me an idea. Let's get to work. First, cut the straw like this. Now take a piece of paper and apply some glue. Stick a piece of straw on and add another one. Now paint it blue and cut it out. Attach a strip of foam to the top. And add a handle. Now let's take some white paper, roll it up like this, and paint it blue. Then take this circle and tie a piece of string to it. Trim it and add more strings. Close up the top and attach our previous craft. The cleaning kit is ready! We've got a mop and a bucket. Teacher, this should help you out. What? I made a mess on the desk, not the floor! Man, this is hot.
I have an idea! Let's take this box and make it checkered so it looks prettier. Now cut out a hole right here. And glue on a paper accordion. Slide it back in and add a sticker. This will be an ice dispenser. Add a couple of cubes. And it's done! Cool! Hey teacher, look!
Huh? What do you have there? Let me take a closer look.
Whoa! I hope you like it!
Interesting. But what is it for?
Oh my gosh! Give me that!
Hey!
It's for adding ice!
Like this?
Exactly! Thanks!
Wonderful! Why does the ice keep coming out?
Oops. Sorry.
How about the mop after all? No thanks, it's fine. Let's continue the lesson. Oh! Huh? Oh, looks like it's time to pack up. Darn, I have so many books. Okay, here I go. Whoa! Oh, help!
Oh my. Let's play for it.
Rock, paper, scissors. Dang it.
You lost. He.
Alright, let's see what I've got. What if I gave you my lunch bag?
Are you crazy? It's way too big! First you have to fold the bag like this. And this. Now we need to make a few folds. Once all the folds are done, start folding it this way. First the sides, and then fold over the top. Now do the same thing on the other side. Let's add a handle for the bag. And decorate it with a sticker. There we go! I think this size will work.
Whoa, so stylish, thanks! Let's try it out. Seems pretty spacious. There we go! Done! Perfect! I almost forgot about your grades.
I can't quite see it. An A+! Awesome! I'll clip it right here.
Me too! You both did a great job!
High five!
Oh, it's already time for chemistry! Follow me!